Alright, what's up, y'all? This is the first video. Today we're gonna be doing a POV on the Dodge Charger RT. This is a 5.7, but you know these shit's loud too, so you gotta put respect on me. I'll show you a little sound. Dodge Charger RT 2021. Let's give you guys a cold start. That shit is loud. Put respect on those 5.7s. This car has a Borlet A-Tech exhaust and a leg maker intake. That's the only mods it has right now. But while this channel grows, then we'll add a lot more mods. Some headers. Alright, y'all. We're gonna let this car warm up. We're gonna let this little baby warm up. And then we'll start doing some pulls. We're gonna hop on the highway. A little POV to drive over there, and then in the night I'll be driving on the way back, so you see a POV for that too in the night. Let me know how the camera's looking in the comments. Tell me if there's any other angles I should put, because this is the first video, so we working. I'm gonna be doing a lot of car edits too, so stay tuned for that. Maybe some reels. I'll put it on my Instagram, for you can follow me on Instagram, my Instagram for this channel specifically. The 5.7 has like a unique sound. Like every time you shift or in the low gear, you hear the pops at the end. And this thing can get louder, man. If I had headers on, soon enough I have headers. Lower down this music. We hopping on the freeway, y'all. Man, we not waiting on this shit. Did that. Big boat. Let me drive the boat. Yes, these people don't know how to drive, man. Everybody in LA needs to revoke their license. No cap. But yeah, this was like driving a Charger RT 5.7. This shit still drinks gas like a motherfucker. As you can see, my average miles per gallon is 12.3. I don't know if you can see it right there on the dash. 12.3. This is the first video, so we're gonna be posting hella now. We're gonna be posting so many videos. We're gonna build this car together. Just like and subscribe and we can build this car together. We're gonna add all the mods together and everything. And comment down anything that I should add, anything that you like, any camera angles, anything. We're gonna be doing a POV at night, so make sure you guys stick to the end of the video for that. And be way less traffic, more cutting up, more res, more pulls, everything. Alright, catch ya. Traffic on this shit today. be in that Hellcat one day. City of Beverly Hills, man. Middle of the night, man. How are you feeling about this one? Beautiful, isn't it? So I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Support this video as much as you can. We're gonna mob this baby together. Alright, peace out, y'all.
Always knew I would be special. Word to Auntie Keisha. Family full of gremlins. No wonder I'm a creature. I've been trying to get the millions in a couple